So hi guys, welcome back to another video. So now I will be opening this box Cyber Judge or Highball Toji. So this is SV5M. So this was released I think 2023 or maybe early 2024. So yeah no. So I got this from Nori House. Ayan. And then gusto ko siyang buksan agad kasi may suspicious lang something on it, no? Kasi I don't know if nakita nyo this one and this one. I don't know if ano to kasi both of this doesn't have, and I got this from another store and this one doesn't have one too. So it's very suspicious, no? So gusto ko siyang buksan, tingnan natin siya kung resealed ba siya or what, no? Ayoko manira, no, pero I'm hoping for positive shit, no. So yes, buksan natin to Cyber Judge, no, kasi ayoko madismaya. So look at this again, ha. So may para siyang inanuhan ng something na mainit, and then ganyan siya. And then kung makikita niyo yung plastic dikit na dikit, medyo dumikit siya sa box. This is really scary, to be honest, no. Hindi siya nakakadismaya, no. So I have here 30 packs and 30 packs of Cyber Judge. Okay, so magbukas tayo unti-unti. So this is my third video ever since I got into making longer videos, no. So I will be opening all of this in this video na. Di ko na siya gagawa ng shorts, no. So we have Picon, Nermi, Iberly, Mushipaki, Magu, Kupuri, Kirinki, Kinharu, and we have Magcargo. Okay, first. Okay. Next pack. So I'm hoping lang talaga na there's nothing really wrong about this one. Maybe I was just really very suspicious lang talaga siya. Pero I hope na may hit tayo, no. Kasi mahirap na, no. Pinaghirapan ko naman yung pera ko dito para bilhin to. Okay. We have our first hit. We have Meltan. Okay, so far so good, no? So far so good. We have our first hit. We have our first AR Meltan. Okay, so far so good. Okay, next. So far, no. I hope lang talaga na may makuha tayo. SR or SAR. And if so, then my suspicions will be really lift. Ichitu, Kirinki, Metagross, Kirinki, Gosotku, Kuptorki, Chiraora. Oh, okay. We have another hit. Okay. So far maganda naman. So we have our A-Spec finally, no. It's been like a long time since nakita ko ng A-Spec ulit or nakahit ng A-Spec, kasi last parang nag-end ata yung A-Spec cards dun sa mga bagong sets, no. Parang wala nang dun sa dalawang dito wala akong A-Spec na nakuha. Sa Junito Battle Partners din wala akong nakuhang A-Spec, no. So I think nag-stop siya. And then Terastal, wala din ako nakitang Terastal, especially sa Battle Partners. Well, siguro dahil mga past na wala talagang Terastal at that time, no. Yung mga bagong lang. So Yogarem, Sukaruku, Iripu, 멈추레메, 중에, 공돌기, 냐오볼, 세이즈, and we have our third hollow, 할비롱. Okay. Okay, so far so good. No? I hope talaga. So Nori House, no. So actually it's my second box na binili ko sa Nori House. Yung first box ko na binili sa kanila was, I don't remember kung ano yung nabili ko. Pero so far wala akong reklamo. Tsaka di ko napansin na kung may sticker ba yun dito. Dito ko lang talaga nakita. Kasi may nakita akong post sa isang group about that na may sticker sa ilalim. Sabi nila tampered daw. So I was scared. Okay, so far our second EX, we have Ohungyum EX and Senior. Okay, good. So far so good, no? Okay, next. 기린기, 버섯고, 공돌기, 아우메니아, 메탄구, 종기충이, 삐끗팅이. We have Mist Energy. Wait. Okay. Okay, double rare. Okay, Terastal pala. Akala ko was SR or SAR na. Okay. So I forgot pala may Terastal pala dito pa, no. Nakalimutan ko. Sorry na. So we have a Terastal card EX Kikiring Terastal EX. Okay. So far so good, no. Akala ko ano na. Sana talaga may SR or SAR tayo makuha para may release ang ating pangamba. Undorgi, Yugerin, Straku, Hendo Trima, Pikachu, Totorin, YouTube, Parachillok, Kinhoru. Okay. So we have our SR. Okay, so SR yung nakuha na din na this time. We have a full art SR. Humyong. Pool. So hanapin na lang natin kung ano yung mga susunod na mga EX card and art rares. And we have Mushikashi. Sukun. Okay. We have Mushwe Kanto. Okay. Ide. Okay. We have Aboli. Art rare. So our second art rare. Okay. Betun and okay. We have a hollow Miraidon. The false. Okay. We have double hit. Now we have Hatsam. EX Scizor. Scyther yung ano niya. And we have hollow Melmetal. Okay, so we have our first na dupe. So far walang hit dito. And for our last two packs, before natin yan yung video, no, I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, nauna na tuloy yung glory Team Rocket, no? Nauna tuloy kong buksan tong Cyber Judge. So yeah. Okay, for our last 2 packs, Raichu, Kusumo, Nerumi, Tukupunon, Hachoryok, Tudoryo, Raichu, Ebibetu, and 4R. Tignan mo natin yung sa likod. Okay. And for our last art rare, buti naman, no? Itong pinakalas natin na pack is may art rare. So yan, may art rare tayo. Pero feeling ko si Palafin na to. Hindi, charot. Hindi. So, created for our last hit for this pack is... Ooh! A duplicate? What the... No way. Ano ba yan? Why could just like be creative na lang, no? Ba't duplicate pa? Grabe naman, duplicate pa yung bibigay. Nako. Kakainis. So far, these are our hits, no? We have EX cards. 1 Terastal, no? Ewan ko ilang Terastal dito. Feeling ko 2 or 3. Kaya na dun sa, ano, Energy Breaker, Super Electric Breaker, at saka Dragona. Number 3. We have A-Spec. And our art rares. 3 art rares. And duplicate pa talaga. Grabe naman. And we have our SR. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.